Sure, why not?
Sir, how did you like the event?
Yeah, it's a unique type of event. I have been to be many other organizations, events, their inaugurations program, but here, each and every person I am looking here, they are intellectual and they are complete itself. They are institution. I heard Daveji, I heard Michael. So their intellect is coming out and the mind education. But basically, is the need of our in our country, because of the technical management, we are already risen up in the number of institutions that come up. We started with the hundreds and now it could reach to, thousands. But still the mind education is the topic which we could not touch and I could have the feel of that here in today's program.
So, sir, what is your inputs about our confederation?
Yeah, being regulator for the all technical management programs from the AICTE, I feel that this is the long relationship we can have with the CE because they are looking for the excellence in education and education, particularly for technical management, pharmacy and architecture. We can have that kind of partnership because they are supporting us from the outside and we are giving the approvals and all kind of regulations to the institutions to come up with their proper infrastructure. So the think tank, they are working as a think tank, so we have to have a strong binding with them to work together to make our India as an India which has been thought of by every Indian and has been thought by our Honorable Prime Minister also, like a Make in India, Startup India. This project can come up only when these kind of organizations will come forward and helping these agencies like UGC, AICT to make our goal to be reached very soon here.
Sir, would you like to give any suggestion or message you wish to leave for us?
Yeah, I think these kind of seminars should be happen not only in Delhi, the different parts of the country, particularly in the rural area, where the institutions, the students, they are not aware about their rights, not aware about what is going to be happen after completing their degree, to making it employable, to enhancing their skill. These kind of programs, seminars, these intellectuals, the think tank, they should go to different parts of the country and invite them to be have this because students community should also come and attend these kind of programs. What I feel.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.